This is the holy grail of guitar amplifiers. Some say that it is the finest guitar amplifier ever made. It's a 1959 Fender Bassman, and it is mostly original. It's on the bench today. I'm just kind of assessing it right now. It's got the original back panel. Even has the signed masking tape. I thought it was Lupe Lopez, but it's not. It's Lucy with an S, L-U-S-Y. You have to forgive me. I'm a little hoarse tonight. The only things that aren't original, or that won't be original, it's missing the screws to the panel. We've got the panel, but no screws. So I'm going to try to source original screws for that if possible. The only other thing that's not original is this. At some point, the fuse holder was removed and this was put in its place. Don't know why. But all the capacitors are original. The 4 Jensen speakers are original. They're P10Rs, all with the same exact date codes. 47th week of 1959. Somebody has soldered in a little bridge here to bridge these speakers, probably for the impedance. So we'll probably remove that since it's not original. But then the other question, what do you do with an amp that's original? I'll probably take some pictures and post of the front as well. But when you have an amp that's this original, what do you do about it? Because, you know, if the client wants to sell this, is it worth more with all the original capacitors? Or is it better off to replace the capacitors that need to be replaced? And any other bad components that there might be. You know, you can see that it's well loved. It's got a lot of cigarette marks on it, some nicotine stain and oxidation. But we know this is going to sound great if it's in good condition, component-wise. So that's the question. How far do we go with this? It still has the original dirt in there, so we're going to make some decisions, and you can follow along with the process. Good night.